Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. If your Facebook account has got hacked, this video is going to be a lot useful and informational for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all the possible reasons why Facebook account gets hacked, what options do you have to recover your hacked Facebook account, and in case if the hacker has changed the email address or phone number that was linked to your Facebook account, what recovery options do you have? So this video is going to be a long one. Make sure you have the patience to watch it till the end, and I will also put all the timestamps in the description box below so you can check that out as well. And now let's get started with the video. Firstly, I want to talk about how or why a Facebook account gets hacked. As you might be thinking, I was using the strongest password on the earth, how come my Facebook account got hacked? So let me tell you that you are not alone thinking this. Even my personal Facebook account got hacked, and sadly I was not able to recover it, and at the end of the day I had to make a new Facebook account, but that's the other story. We will get back to it later, and for now I'm going to tell you some reasons why Facebook account gets hacked. So the first reason is, for example, you were using your Facebook account on your mobile or computer and someone else has access to it from your family or maybe your friend who got into your account, changed the password, and as a result you lost access to it. They can do it in order to take revenge or just for fun. Similarly, if you were using your Facebook account on a public cafe or on your friend's phone and you forgot to log out of it, this can be one of the reasons you lost access to your Facebook account. So just go back into the past and remind yourself what were you doing with your Facebook account the last time. Apart from these two reasons, there are hackers who are actually working day and night to hack random Facebook accounts for their personal profits. Hacker can use your accounts to contact your friends and ask them for money on your behalf. They can also sell it to someone else, or they can use your Facebook account for illegal purposes. Now, if you are thinking what methods do hackers use to get into your account and they are able to crack the strongest passwords, let me tell you that there are different ways using which it becomes very easy for them to steal your passwords and hack your account. So let's talk about a few methods that they use so that you can avoid getting hacked in the future. The first method that I know of is phishing, which I think you must have heard of. The hackers set up imposter sites that just look the same as official Facebook, and then they trick you into logging into your Facebook account, and as a result they steal your email address and password. So whenever you receive any suspicious links or untrusted links through messages or emails that are asking you to log into your Facebook account, make sure you never do that. So now I will show you an example. If you see this website, this may look like official Facebook to you, but it is a phishing page that can easily get you fooled. You can look the URL as well. So you need to be extra careful while using your Facebook login details on any random website. Now, if it is required or mandatory, you can always create a fake Facebook account just to be on the safer side. Keylogging is another popular method that is used by hackers. A keylogger program can be remotely set up on your device, and this will record all the keys that you will enter on your keyboard. So this way the hacker can steal all your password as well as other sensitive information. Now, in order to stay safe, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you are using a firewall on your device, alright? And also make sure that your device is completely up to date, including your operating system and all the applications and programs that you use on your device. Also, if you sense something is suspicious with your Facebook account, you can always use a different device to change the password, as the keylogger program will not work on that different device. And lastly, you can always use an anti-keylogger tool to stay a step ahead from keyloggers. Also, storing all your passwords online is not as safe as it looks, as if a hacker can get into your Facebook account so easily, they can also breach the browser's password manager, and this will put all your critical information to risk in one go. For me, I have always stored my passwords offline, and that has worked for me till date. You can see what works for you in this case. Moving on, the most common mistake that you can make and help hackers in getting access to your account is setting the same password for all your social media and email accounts. Now, this might be easy for you to remember the password this way, but for hackers, once an account gets hacked, they will easily get into all your other social media accounts and email accounts. So this is going to put all your accounts at risk in one go. So make sure you don't make this mistake and use different and unique passwords for all your social media and email accounts. Now, to know if your account has got compromised or hacked, you must always keep an eye on your login sessions that will show you all the devices where you are logged in. For that, you have to log into your Facebook, and then you have to click on this drop down menu icon right here, then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Now after that, you have to click on this section security and login, and here you will be able to see where you are logged in. So here you will see all the devices where you have used your Facebook account, and if you see any unknown device, you can just use this 3 dots, click on that, and you can simply log out quickly so that the hacker lose access to your account. Now that will only help if you have still access to your Facebook account and the password has not been changed. But what if the password got changed by the hacker? In that case, you get a few recovery options, but that depends on the information that you have provided to Facebook, alright. Also, these methods will only help out those people whose email address or phone number are still the same on the Facebook. In case your email address or phone number has also got removed or changed by the hacker, what you can do is I will discuss later in this video, so stay tuned for that. And for now, I'm going to discuss the recovery methods that will help you to get back to your hacked Facebook account. So now I'm on facebook.com, and now I'm going to show you what options do you get to recover a hacked Facebook account if your email address or your phone number is still the same, alright. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to click on forgotten password option right here, and then you have to enter your email address or mobile number to search for your Facebook account. So if your email address or mobile number has been changed, you won't be allowed or you won't be able to find it, right? But for now, I'm going to show you how you can find your account by entering your email address. So here I'm going to enter my email address. And then click on search. As you can see, they are showing me my account, and I'm getting here 3 options to reset the password of my account. So if you still are able to use your email or phone number, you can easily reset the password of your hacked Facebook account, but you need to be very quick in doing this, alright. So the first option says that use my Google account. It means if you are already logged into your Google account anywhere, you can quickly reset your password without doing anything else, right? Or if you want, you can just get a code on your email address that you have linked to your Facebook, or you can also use your phone number to receive an SMS from Facebook. So these are the basic 3 options that you get to reset your Facebook account password. And now if you don't have access to any of these, or if you are not able to use any of these, what you have to do is you just have to click here, no longer have access to these. So let's see what happens next. So as you can see, they are asking how can we reach you. Please enter an email address that you know you can access. We will use this address to send you messages about recovering your account. So as you can't access your email address and phone number, they need something to contact you, right? So you have to enter any email address that you are currently using. So here I'm going to enter my email address. And then you have to enter the same email address here as well to confirm it, and then you have to press continue. as you can see, the next option that I'm getting is ask your trusted contacts for help. Alright, so this option that I'm getting is for the reason that I have enabled this option for my Facebook account. So if you have also enabled this option, the trusted contacts option, only then you are going to get this option, right? So I have selected 3 of my friends so that I can contact them anytime for help to recover my hacked Facebook account, or in case I forgot my password. So if you have selected this option, only then you are going to get this, otherwise not. For this option, what you have to do is you just have to click here, reveal my trusted contacts, and then you have to enter one of the names of your friends that you have selected as trusted, and then the Facebook is going to reveal the rest of them, right? So here I'm going to enter one name and then click on confirm. So as you can see, Facebook has revealed all of my 3 trusted contacts that I can contact for help, right? So yeah, what I have to do is I have to tell them to visit this link right here. To my friends, I have to send this link personally, and then they will visit this link and they will get a code that they have to send me. And when I will get all the 3 codes, I have to enter them here, and then I have to click on continue. And if I am able to do so, Facebook will allow me to change my password. So that's the trusted contacts option that you get, right? So yeah, if you need a detailed video on this topic, I have already made one, so you can check out from the Facebook playlist of my YouTube channel. So these are the options that you get to recover your hacked Facebook account if you have access to your primary email address or phone number using which you created your Facebook account. Now this is a scary situation when the hacker not only changes your password, but they also remove your primary email address or the phone number that was linked to your Facebook account, so that you lose complete access to your Facebook account. Firstly, whenever someone changes your password, you get an email like the one that you can see on the screen. So it is clearly written here that if you did change the password, you can disregard this email, but if you didn't do this, please secure your account. So if you got an email like this, you have to quickly use this option, the option that says secure your account, before the hacker changes your email as well. This is the only thing that can save you from completely losing access to your Facebook account. Getting back to the main concern, if someone changes your primary email and they set their email to your Facebook account, you will again receive an email from Facebook like the one that you can see on the screen right now, so that you can take an immediate action if you want to reverse the changes. So here also you will get the option to click on secure your account and undo all the changes the hacker has made. But keep this in mind that this has to be done very quickly. Now, everyone can't be lucky enough to quickly secure their account or get their account back using the recovery methods that I explained before in this video, as hackers these days are really quick in changing the primary email or phone number that is linked to your Facebook account, and ultimately this makes you lose access to your Facebook account completely. I also did some research and found out that Facebook has provided no official help in this case. They have only provided the basic reset password methods that will only help you if you have access to your email address or phone number. I also tried contacting Facebook over email regarding my hacked Facebook account long back, and they asked me for my photo ID, and after I provided them with my photo ID, I didn't receive any reply from them. So sadly, I had to create a new Facebook account as I was left with no other option. So that was all about why Facebook accounts get hacked and what all you can do to get back your hacked Facebook account. I explained to you all the scenarios and all the official ways through which you can get help for your hacked Facebook account. So if you were able to recover your hacked hacked Facebook account, consider yourself lucky. But in case if you were not able to recover your hacked Facebook account, do not feel sad, and you can always create a new Facebook account and start a new journey on Facebook, right? So yeah, I'm going to share some quick tips from my side so that you can secure your new Facebook account in the future and prevent it from getting hacked again. You should never accept friend requests from people you don't know, as scammers can create fake accounts, they can spam your timeline, may send you malicious messages, and that can get you in trouble. Also, do not click on any link that you receive through Facebook messages or emails, as 99% of these links are just there to cheat you and hack your Facebook account. Also, one very important thing, these days you must be noticing similar comments on most of my YouTube videos and other YouTube videos as well. These comments are a new way to cheat you. They will recommend you a hacker in the comment section that this person can recover your Facebook account, and you will believe them, and then they will ask you for some money in order to recover your hacked Facebook account. And if you are going to give them the money they are asking for, you are going to lose your money for sure. Alright, so beware of such hackers and always go for official sources to get help, or watch my videos for the help you need. Alright, and do not get trapped. With that, we have reached the end of the video. I explained you every single thing related to the hacked Facebook account and what options do you have to recover it. I hope I was able to help you out, and if you still have any doubts or any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. I try to reply to most of the comments that I receive. I also write troubleshooting blogs and articles on my website, that is getassist.net, so you can visit that as well if you are interested. And also, if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more such informational and useful videos. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.